Hey guys, Steve from Pacific Lawn Sprinklers here, and in this quick video I just want to share with you guys a little bit of what we call our follow-up system that we use to help our franchisees grow their business really fast. So if you're going to start your own irrigation business, or if you're in your own irrigation business, one of the ways you really want to grow is with follow-up. So let me explain a little more, because there's kind of a few different parts of it. So say you go out on an estimate, you give a customer a quote for say $4,000 to repair their sprinkler system. You go there, you present it to them, have a great conversation with them. You leave, you think you got the job, you're sure the guy's gonna call you back, go home, tell your family about it, great meeting. The guy never calls you back, you never hear from the guy again. You're out in the field the next few days, the next few weeks, get busy, things are going on, you're doing repairs. You never call the guy, you never see what's going on, job's gone, you don't know what happened, someone else probably did it. So our franchise system doesn't work like that, okay? When you go out to a job, we want you to get that job, okay? So aside from the training that we're gonna give you to help sell on site, let me explain a little bit of our follow-up process. So we have a sales team on the back end, and we have a full software and call center on the back end working for you. If you watch my other videos, you understand. So you go out, you give that estimate, okay? Leave it with the customer. Great. By yourself, what happens, like I just explained, is it just ends right there if you never call the guy again. When you're in the Pacific system and you give out a quote, a lot of different things happen, okay? We have a full email system that follows up with probably, whatever, 3, 4, 5 emails, whatever we have it set to. Hey, would you like to do the job? Hey, we haven't heard from you in a while, wondering if you want to do the job. Do you have any questions on the job? Press this button, call us right here. Anyone can answer your questions. They press the button, comes to our office, not to your cell phone. We answer the questions, what we can about the job. Yeah, it's 26 rotaries, 6 heads, $4,000. No, we can't give any discounts. We can schedule for Tuesday. Boom, get scheduled right there, okay? So instead of it dead ending right here, we got a system behind the scenes that's happening for you, programmed in, tested, you know, tried and true throughout the years. It's not just like we're sending annoying emails. Obviously, some people don't respond, okay? That's just the way it goes. But instead of it ending here, you got 5 more attempts, whatever it is, and you got people behind all these ready to answer questions. You're available to the customer, and if you're gonna sell and if you're gonna make money, you have to be available. You have to have the time to do all this. But if you're working in a field by yourself, it's really hard to do that, okay? So that's just one part of the system we have built. The other part, which we have kind of a greater success with, is we have automated phone calls that go out to the customer. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, however many calls we have. Again, we do it in such a way, and we've tested it through the years, that we're not just shooting calls out there. We do it in such a way to help you close the job, help you get the job. So again, this is your job, all right? This $4,000 is going to you, okay? It's not going to us, but since you pay into our system, we have this. So the automated calls come in. Hey, press 1 if you like more information. Again, patched right through to our office, okay? You do not have anything. You're done here, okay? If we're going against you on a quote, you end it here while our sequence keeps going, okay? Which one do you think is gonna get the job, all right? Now, you might get the job if you're a good salesman, and I hope that you do, and hopefully this system works for you and you don't have to think about anything. You could run it by yourself. That's how you build your business. But business is about, you know, increasing the odds and testing things and really being in front of the customer and available. People get busy, okay? Sometimes they just don't call you back because they're busy and that, let me do the job next year. But if a call's coming into them at the right time of day, on the right day of the week, where we know that they're gonna answer most likely because we've tested it, do you think the odds that you'll get that $4 grand are better? And forget the $4 grand. Let's say this is $4 grand times 100 estimates you go on. So you go on 100 estimates and you have all this happening for you. Look at how many interactions we provide to the customer. Look how many chances, how many anchors we have to help pull up the jobs for you, opposed to you just ending here. Okay, so I can't enforce enough how our follow-up system will help increase your revenue, grow your business fast, and really put you in the position that you were looking to be when you thought about owning your own irrigation business. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact us, call us, whatever, at any time of day. If you go to our website, you can actually schedule a call with us, who is me or a few other people who are tight to this and know all this. who have ran the irrigation business before, ran a franchise. We can answer your questions right away. This is just one of the things that we do to help you guys build a successful business. Thank you for watching.